There is an island in the middle of the ocean, kilometers away. And on that island stands a dolphin fish. It is not just standing there, it reflects the view back at you and watches you. Its eyes are open. Its fin is still reaching toward the sky. But there are cracks. There are vines. There are long years upon it. Around it, the seas are thrashing, waves crashing against the rocks. And the dolphin fish is there. Not collapsed, still remaining, simply waiting in the flow of time. Who made this? Who built a dolphin-shaped house in the middle of an island is unknown. And who could abandon something like this? That morning, when the tools started working, this sound was heard by our team for the first time. And we learned and we began the work.
Keep working on the tail section. Hand me that plank. Let's get the debris cleared up. All right, bring it up slowly. Careful now, don't scratch it. Looking good, seal it in. Keep it steady. Pass me that plank. Watch the railing.
The pool is nearly filled now.
Turn on the lights. Looks perfect.
Reaching an island like this is truly difficult. We searched for years, and finally we came across an island like this. But when you slowly reach the inside of the house, ruined stairs appear before you, as if they are calling you upward. With every step, the sea stays farther below, and the sky comes closer. And with every step you take inside the dolphin, you feel something. This is not an ordinary house. This is almost another world. We restored this entrance properly according to that world.
Let's get these steps cleared. Careful with that beam. Almost done with this section. Keep working on that crack. Almost done here. Looks much better already.
Excellent job, everyone. It's finally finished. The staircase looks perfect.
Push that one in a bit. No, the one next to it. Aligning this base now. Keep working on that patch. Need a bucket of water down here. Almost done with this section. Keep scrubbing. We need these steps to shine. This polisher works wonders. Almost done with this section.
Fresh open sea on all four sides. Look through the window, the sea. Look through the door, the sea. No matter where you look, there is magnificent scenery. And you can sit your body into that comfortable chair. You are surrounded by walls carrying the figure of the dolphin fish. The sound of the waves comes peacefully. The sound of the wind comes through. But the room has its own inner warmth. There is peace inside. This living room was beautifully designed on one of the most beautiful structures in the world.
All right, that's enough water for today. Agreed. Let's let it dry out a bit. Still a lot of damage, but it's clean. The walls are almost completely covered now.
Good. Let's start packing up the plaster tools.
All right, careful bringing down the scaffold. All right, careful with this section. Move it just a bit to the left. Almost done with the ceiling here. All right, bring the panel over here. good. Mount the top hinge. Careful with the screen. Keep pushing it this way. Move back a bit, I'm almost there. Nice reflections forming now. Line it up perfectly. Make sure the adhesive is even. Passes like this. Hand me the level.
Let's get this rug perfectly centered.
Careful with the vase.
Lamp goes here. Looks good.
The blue lights are working. Check the brightness. Looks good. Almost done with the rug.
All right, let's roll this out. Careful with that side. Looks perfect. Job well done. Done. Finished.
Excellent. The restoration looks perfect. Agreed. Everything is immaculate.
You drink your morning coffee in the middle of the ocean. When you look out the window, there is no shore, no city. Nothing exists as it is known now. Only water and the horizon. You look outside from the side of the Dolphin, and the end of the world stretches before you. But cooking in this kitchen is not ordinary. Every meal becomes an experience. Every morning becomes an adventure. We designed this kitchen to be understood.
Keep scrubbing. This stuff is thick. Almost got it. The counter's looking better. All right, that's done. Yeah, finally. Let's go.
I've got this wall almost done.
Okay.
Need a hand with these tiles?
Looks great. Yeah, that's exactly what we wanted. Awesome job, guys. Does this look right? Just a little to the left. I think we're almost there. All right, looking good on the left. Yeah. Need a little more gel here. Almost done with this counter. Perfect. She's ready. Let's pack up. The restoration is complete.
It's absolutely perfect.
Every detail shines.
The blue LEDs make the dolphins really pop. It's
Stunning. The floor reflects everything perfectly.
ready for the client.
You spend the night inside the dolphin fish. Outside, there are magnificent waves. From far away, the sound of a speeding boat can be heard. If the sky is clear, the stars are visible through the window. And you are sleeping in the very heart of the dolphin, surrounded by those curved walls. When you wake up in the morning, it feels as if the world has changed, because it has changed. This bedroom was designed for those awakenings.
I'll be right back. Roger that. Keep scrubbing at that tough spot. Got it. This is really stuck on. All right, that's everything. Looks much better. The mural's clear now. Yeah, room's clean. Let's pack up. All right, looking much better. The wall is ready for paint. Nice work on the floor, too. Line it up. Right there. Got it, looks solid. Perfect. Ready for the mattress. Wow, look at that. Amazing, it's perfect. Almost done with this side. Okay, I'll get these curtains hung. I think this needs to be turned just a little more. Grab the level, I want to make sure the sconce is even. Checking it now. All right, that's one. Looking good, now for the second one. Perfect. Done. All right, everything looks perfect over here. Same on this side. Another successful install.
You are taking a shower in the middle of the climate. The glass fogs up. It is very warm. Outside, there is the sea everywhere in every direction, endless. Inside, there is you. This contrast, the warmth inside, the vast, endless blue outside, takes you somewhere else. You do not feel far from the city, but far from the world itself. This bathroom was designed for that, for nothing else.
Almost done. All right, just sweeping up. Good work. Yeah, look at that.
Keep it smooth, character B. Almost done with this section. Needs more mix here. Line it up here. Careful with the glass. Ready with the sealant. All right, that's secure. Looks great, man. Love the Dolphin. Ready to flush? All right, bring it down slowly. Careful with the sealant. Looks good, let's set it in place. Looks good. Yeah, the mirrors make a big difference. Nice work, everyone. Okay, let's get that fixture tightened. Wiping this mirror now. Check the ceiling strip.
The Dolphin details look amazing. This bathtub is gleaming. Mirrors are spotless.
Excellent work, everyone.
Luxury is sometimes not in a place meant to be seen. The dressing room looks small. It looks unimportant, but its mornings begin here. Its evenings return here. And this room on this island inside this Dolphin cannot be ordinary. Money no longer matters here. Every detail was chosen carefully. Every shelf is in its proper place. Everything is exactly where it is meant to be. Because in this structure, nothing is ordinary.
Hit these shelves. This stuff works great.
Looks like these beams are pretty secure.
I'm almost done sanding this section.
Hand me that longer screw, please.
Got it. This room is coming together.
Looks good on the left. Okay, let's get the new units in. Hand me that drawer, please. All set, almost done.
Almost done here. Yep, just got these shoes left.
Looks perfect.
Great job.
Nice.
Try here.
Yep, got it. It's working.
Looks perfect. Ready to test. Ready to go.
The restoration is nearly complete. Just a few final touches. It looks perfect. The owner will be thrilled.
I took one step back, and I looked. In the middle of the ocean, above the waves, beneath the clouds, stood these formations. The vines were still there. The cracks had been closed. The Dolphin was shining white, clean, its eyes open, its fin reaching into the sky. Around it, the sea was crashing with magnificence. But the Dolphin structure remained. Our team was determined, strong, firmly in place. And then I realized something. Years ago, this Dolphin structure was never truly unfinished. It had simply been left incomplete, as if it was waiting, as if it appeared before us years later so someone could finally see it, so someone could value it, so someone could begin. The waves tried to destroy it. Time tried to make this structure forgotten. But this Dolphin structure did not fall, because some things are imagined so powerfully that even nature cannot erase them. This was a design concept. With the determination, imagination, and designs of our team, It will always remain real in people's minds. What should our next video be about? Write your ideas in the comments. You can subscribe to the Future X Process channel. Tell us below. If this video pulled you in, there is a playlist waiting for you on the screen.
The pool is nearly filled now.
Turn on the lights.
Looks perfect.